Mr. McCarthy back with website tutorial number 9. Can you believe it? All right. In website tutorial number 8, I gave you guys a challenge, and the challenge is to take this table with 3 rows, 3 data cells, 3 rows, 3 columns, a 3 by 3, and place it within a 2 by 2 table. In other words, I'm asking you to put this table inside of another table. In each cell data should have the table that's 3 by 3. So 4 3 by 3s, 2, 2. Okay. So one of the things that you may become aware of, and maybe you're grappling with it, is this top-down nature of HTML. Okay, we're stacking everything on top of one another. And what I'm going to point out to you right now is you don't necessarily need to do it. The reason we've been doing it so far is it's just easier to understand, easier to organize. Now that we're getting into some serious length here, we're going to organize a little bit differently. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put this stuff on one line. Not everything, but all my table rows I'm going to put on one line. It's just going to make things easier for me. Oops. Okay, so here's a full table row. Okay, now I've just adjusted this. I'm going to save it. There, I just saved it. Let's see if anything changes here. And nothing changes. The reason is it doesn't matter how you write this out on your text edit here, as long as your tags are in order, you have open and close tags in the right places, you have all of your brackets. Okay, again, the reason that we've stacked it so far is to just double check that we have a bracket that begins, a bracket that ends, we have our open tag, we have our close tag. Now that we're advancing a little bit, we don't necessarily need to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, instead of reordering everything here, I like my table row laid out from left to right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm just going to delete all that stuff. And I'm just going to count. Okay? So this table row right here, with the 3 highs in it, constitutes this top line. So based on that, I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste one more time. And as you can see, this is starting to look like the actual table. What I mean by that is 3 highs stacked on top. I mean, 3 stacked highs, 3 stacked highs, 3 stacked highs in a row. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Let's take a look. Nothing's changed. So this works. So notice how nice, compact, and orderly this is. Orderly in kind of a new way. All right. So our next challenge is to put this table inside of another table. Well, that's kind of a mind bender. Let's just do it. So I'm going to start a new table tag. And I'm going to start that table tag around the table that already exists. Okay, there's my open tag, here's my close tag. All right. Now, whenever you start a table, you have to follow it always by a TR tag, just like we've done here. Okay. Before followed by the TR tag, we need a TD tag. So let's do that TD tag. Okay. Think in terms of what we're trying to do here. We want a full table here, followed by a full table here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, since this is our, let's just do this. This might make things a little easier. So this is our full table, the one we created already, and this is the table we're creating around it. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to end this table data tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that right here, end TD, and before we're done there, we're going to end TR. Okay, let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to go Command S. I don't think anything's going to change here. Oh, we did see a little shift there, didn't? Let's see if we do this. Okay, I'm going to put a border on it, and we'll be able to see something a little bit different. Oh, we see just that little border there. All right, let's make it a 5. See a little bit better. There it is. That's a table within a table, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now we just need to go 2 by 2. How do we do that? Very simple. Well, maybe not too simple, but if you think about it conceptually, it's very simple. So what we've done here is, here is our first TD within a TR. So we're just going to copy that, Command C. We're going to paste that below. Command S for save. See what happens. There it is. Okay, so we have a full table within one TD. Okay, followed by another table within a second TD. Okay, this is your first TD, this is your second TD. Now all we need to do is put 2 more down here. So the question is, what do we do next? And this is your answer. We need to end that table row and start a new table row. Quickest way to do it, copy both of these, paste underneath. Okay, I'm going to save that, and there it is. Okay, so let's do this. I'm just going to go a little bit bigger on here. I'm going to review this. And I know I sound repetitious when I do this, but it's important to understand the structure. It's a repeating structure here. Okay, so what we have is we have one single table. We have one full table. That's this. And inside of that table, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tables. Each of these tables is within a TD. There's 1 TD. There's 2 TDs. Each pair of TDs is within 1 table row. When that table row ends, you start a new table row. Always follow a TR with a TD. Always end your TD before starting another TD. And when you're done with your table row, you have to end the last TD before you end the table row. Okay? That's where we're at, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? Go ahead and save this good work, and then we're going to take a next step in next video. This is Mr. McCarthy, website tutorial number 9, signing off.